Many people are playing with AI, but a small group is quietly making money from it every day. If you've tried and failed, or you don't know where to actually start with AI, you're not the problem. You're just being shown the wrong way. In this video, I'll break down some ideas on how beginners are turning AI into an extra income stream and why you don't want to miss this. So before we get started, can I ask one small favor? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more videos. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with step number one, which is to start an AI-powered content service for small businesses. If you want to earn some extra income with AI, you can actually start by offering a simple content creation service to small businesses, because this will actually solve a real and an ongoing problem that they probably already have. Now, if you take a good look at local businesses like restaurants or cafes or salons or gyms or even online stores, you're probably going to notice that they struggle to post consistently on their social media channels or their pages, or write engaging captions, or their engagement is quite low, or they just don't keep up with their social media presence in general. So this is going to create an opportunity for you to tap into straight away. So if you actually use tools like Gemini or ChatGPT, which are AI engines, you can actually generate captions, SEO optimized blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, webinars, and even emails in just a few seconds, because this tool uses AI to basically turn short instructions into full pieces of content that you can actually do something with right away. So if you just go to www.chat.openai.com, you can actually create a free account with ChatGPT and start using it to create some content. So you could just use a simple prompt like the following: write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a local bakery. So there's a simple prompt that you can start with. And this is going to instantly give you some results for a local bakery for some content ideas. And you're going to have a better understanding of how these AI engines work as well. So if you actually keep your AI service focused on one simple task like captions or videos or even emails, you can actually just start faster and avoid confusion in the early stages. If you want to get better results from the AI and avoid that generic content that is probably too robotic or not very personalized, you can actually improve your prompts with more detail, because this will directly affect the quality for the outputs that you actually get. So if you actually use ChatGPT again, but add more details like the audience you're targeting, the tone that you're going for, so whether it's casual, business, professional, enthusiastic, direct, personal, any kind of tone that you want, and the goals and the results and the outcomes that you want the audience to achieve, you add those things into the prompt, you're going to get a much stronger result. So it's all about how much detail you put into these prompts. So you can actually deliver better quality content that feels more tailored to the specific audience, for the target audience you're working with, for the local business that you're going to work with. So to give you an example, if you write something like create 10 friendly Instagram captions for a coffee shop, targeting students who like affordable drinks, that's now a much more detailed and a precise prompt for a specific audience, and it's going to give you a much stronger and a better result from the AI engine. So if you don't know what kind of content works generally really well, you could just go to Instagram or even TikTok and just study what the popular posts in your niche are actually doing. So you want to go and find those niches you want to go to TikTok and Instagram and look for content within the same niche, and look for content that's getting lots of views, high engagement, and lots of comments on their posts. So that's going to give you a good idea of what's actually working right now in your niche. So if you just save a few examples of these ideas that you find, these content posts that you find on TikTok and Instagram, you can use them as a simple inspirational guide. So you can actually model what they're doing and do your own version of it. So you can actually guide the AI to create the content that matches these real trends. You want to study what they're doing, and then you can use the AI to actually create similar content, but do your own version of it. So then you're going to get similar results. Now, if you struggle with your content sounding too robotic or even just unnatural in general, you can fix this by using editing tools that will actually improve the clarity and the tone, because this will make your work much more professional as well. So if you just go to www.grammarly.com and use Grammarly, you can actually just paste your AI generated text right into Grammarly, and it will give you some suggestions to improve the readability, to help you fix the grammar, and also to adjust the tone very quickly as well. So Grammarly is a very useful app to basically make it more readable, change the tone, and just give it a more structured approach to make it more professional. Now, if you'd like to rewrite some sentences in a more natural way, you can also use Quillbot by going to www.quillbot.com, because this tool will actually help rephrase content while keeping the meaning the same. So if you want to change the way the sentences are worded and make it sound a bit more a certain way, Quillbot will help you to do that. So you can actually rephrase the content with Quillbot. Now, if you combine these tools, that's Quillbot and Grammarly, with a quick manual edit, where you actually simplify the words and just make sentences sound a bit more natural and more conversational, you're going to produce content that feels more humanized as well. Now, if you take this extra step, the clients will actually notice the difference and be a bit more likely to pay for your service again. Now, if you want to start getting paid, you can actually just list your service on a freelance platform where people are already searching for this type of help, because this actually removes the need to find clients starting from scratch. So if you just go to www.fiverr.com and create a simple profile on Fiverr, which you can actually do for free, you can set up what is called a simple gig, offering something like AI social media content creation. And this will allow clients to actually find you based on the keywords that you search for or the keywords that you use. Now, if you would prefer longer term work, you can also go to www.upwork.com and just join Upwork, where businesses post jobs that you can apply for directly and right away. Now, if you look at the top listings, you can just copy the structure of their titles and their descriptions. This is going to give you some good ideas about what works. So you can just follow what is actually already working. So you just want to model what actually works and just do it in your own way. Now, if you just start with a very simple pricing like $10 or £10, just start really low to start with. For a set of captions, you can just attract those first few client orders faster. And you can start building those reviews, and that will help to increase the trust. Now, if you'd like to present your work in a way that makes clients take you a bit more seriously, you can create a simple portfolio using design tools, because this will actually help you to stand out more as well. If you go to www.canva.com and use Canva, you can just turn plain text into clean, professional looking social media content by choosing simple templates and adding your own content to it. If you create, say, 5 to 10 sample posts for a specific niche that you're working with, you can then organize them into a small portfolio and show exactly what you can actually offer. Now, if you include examples like before and the after editing, you can clearly demonstrate the value that you provide beyond just using AI tools. Now, if you keep your designs very simple, readable, and consistent as well, clients will focus on the quality of the content rather than being distracted by unnecessary designing elements. Now, if you want to turn this into a steady income stream instead of just one-off payments, you could just package your service into monthly plans, because this will actually give you a more predictable income. Now, if you offer something like 40 social media posts per month, you can charge a slightly higher fee and actually reduce the need to consistently find new clients as well. If you reach out directly to businesses through Instagram DMs or even use email, these are two good approaches. You can send a very short message offering a free sample, so you can actually prove your value up front. Now, if you stay consistent and keep improving your process as you go along, you're going to complete tasks faster using AI, and this will allow you to take on more clients at the same time without increasing your workload too much. Now, if you follow this step very carefully and take action straight away, you can build a fairly reliable AI-powered income stream that will grow over time. Let's now move on to step number 2, which is to start an AI-powered Faceless YouTube channel. If you want to earn an extra income without actually showing your face and you want to remain faceless, you can actually start an AI-powered Faceless YouTube channel, because this will allow you to create content using different AI tools instead of actually being on the camera. So if you have struggles with confidence or recording or even editing videos, then you don't have to worry about doing any of this, because AI tools will handle most of the work. And this will actually remove one of the biggest barriers that stops people from starting in the first place. So if you just go to www.chat.openai.com and you use ChatGPT, you can actually generate video ideas, titles, and even full scripts for your videos in just a few seconds, because this AI tool will turn simple instructions that you actually give it into structured content that you can actually use right away. So if you just go to ChatGPT and you could just start with a simple prompt like the following: give me 10 YouTube video ideas about saving money for beginners. there's a good idea for a prompt for a saving money niche for a YouTube channel. That's going to give you some ideas to work with. So you'll instantly get a list of ideas that you can actually use right away. So this is going to help you avoid wasting time and energy thinking about different topics that you can actually do. So if you actually just choose a niche that has good profit potential, so you want to go into a niche that people are already spending money on to solve their problems. So you need to find a niche with good profit potential. So something like finance or weight loss or motivation or health or dating and relationships or even online business or even just tips or facts or even education as well. These are some good niches. So you want to find a profitable niche first. You can then just focus your content and build a consistent audience over time in that type of niche. So if you want to pick video ideas that actually get views, you can actually do some research with different tools that will show what people are already actually searching for on these search engines or in these social networks, because this will actually help your chances of getting better results. So if you go to youtube.com and just search for your topic or your niche in the YouTube search bar, you can just look at videos with high views and recent uploads. So you can just identify what is actually currently working in real time. Now, if you also install TubeBuddy, so TubeBuddy is an app that you can use within YouTube to actually help you with SEO and keyword research and things like that for your YouTube channel. So if you go to www.tubebuddy.com, you can actually see the keyword scores, the search volume, and even the competition levels directly on YouTube for different keywords using TubeBuddy. So this is going to be a really useful tool for you for your YouTube channel, because this tool will give you real data instead of you actually guessing. So if you go into TubeBuddy and just type in for a simple keyword like side hustles 2026 or how to start a side hustle or side hustle online ideas or how can I start a side hustle, any kind of keyword like this, you're going to see whether people are actually searching for it, and it's going to show you the search volume as well and also the competition level for that particular keyword, so you can see how easy it is to rank for on the YouTube search. So this is going to help you to make better and smarter choices for your keyword research by using TubeBuddy in YouTube. And another good alternative to that is called vidIQ. vidIQ works in a very similar way. It's another app that you can use for your YouTube channel to help you with SEO, with keyword research and things like that on your YouTube channel. So another one to look for is vidIQ. Now, if you also use Google Trends, so if you go to www.googletrends.com or just search for Google Trends on Google and you'll go straight to it from there, you can actually compare topics and see which ones are growing or which ones are declining. So Google Trends will show you the search interest for any given period of time for any given keyword or topic that you really want. So this is a really good idea to validate the interest for any kind of idea that you've got. So you can just focus on those trends that are gaining attention right now. So if you'd like to now turn your ideas into engaging scripts very quickly, you can use AI to generate very well structured content that helps to keep the viewers engaged and watching. If you go back to ChatGPT, you can just write in a simple prompt like the following: create a 60-second YouTube script with a strong engaging hook and a clear tips about saving money and a good strong call to action. So there's a simple prompt that you can use for a YouTube short for a saving money idea video. This is going to give you a ready to use script that you can use straight away to actually create some YouTube shorts. So if you actually break your script into different sections like the hook, the main points and the ending, you can actually match the visuals more easily later on as well. This is going to help you to speed up the editing process. Now, if you read through the script and just simplify the wording, you can actually make it sound a bit more humanized and a bit more natural, because this will actually improve the viewer retention rate as well. So if you actually repeat this process on a consistent basis, you can create multiple scripts in just one session using AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. And this will help you to upload more content and actually help you to get more views without spending hours writing the scripts yourself. Now, if you want to create those voiceovers without recording your own voice, this is not a problem. You can actually use AI tools to actually create voice generators that will produce realistic audio for you. So you can actually put different narration on the videos. So this is going to help you save time and improve the quality of the audio on your Faceless videos. So if you just go and use 11 Labs at www.eleven11labs.io, so that's 11 Labs, and you can use 11 Labs to actually paste your script and choose from different voices, accents and tones. So 11 Labs is a really useful tool to actually add a voiceover to your video. So this is going to give you some very realistic sounding voiceovers using AI that actually sound natural as well. Now, if you just adjust the stability and the clarity settings within 11 Labs, you can actually make the voice sound smoother and more natural as well. This will make your videos feel more professional. Now, if you actually just download the audio file after generating it, you can directly use it on your video editor. And this will complete the voice part without needing a microphone or actually recording anything yourself. Now, if you want to create videos without doing any filming or anything like that, you can just use simple editing tools that combine visuals and audio into a finished video. If you go to www.capcut.com and use CapCut, you can actually upload your voiceover and add some stock footage, and you can insert some subtitles and some captions, because this tool is a beginner-friendly tool that can use on your mobile phone and on a computer as well, and it's widely used by content creators all over the world. So that is CapCut. Now, if you find that you need some free video clips, so if you want some content for your video but you don't want to pay for the actual video clips, you can just go to www.pexels.com or even pixabay.com, because these websites offer lots of free stock footage that you can use without having any copyright issues at all. Now, if you actually match each part of your script with relevant visuals, you can actually make your videos much more engaging. This is going to get more attention and help you get more views. And this will keep your viewers watching for longer as well. And if you also add really dynamic and engaging captions to your short form videos and add simple animations as well, you can actually improve the watch time, because many viewers watch videos without having any sound on it at all. Or what a lot of people are watching videos with the sound turned off. So if you want to start making some money from your channel, you can just focus on being more consistent and just simple monetization methods, because this will help you to build that income over time. Now, if you actually upload videos on a regular basis, you can actually grow your channel and qualify for the YouTube monetization program, which allows you to actually earn an income from ads playing on your videos. If you also include affiliate links in your video descriptions as well, this is also going to help you. So you can actually use different affiliate networks like Amazon or even Digistore24. So if you go to www.digistore24.com, this is a really good affiliate network for digital products and a lot of affiliate products as well. So you can actually earn commissions when viewers will buy your product through your unique affiliate link. And this will actually create a new income stream for you. Now, if you just track which videos perform the best when you're using your YouTube analytics, you can just create more of that type of content. And this will help you to grow your channel faster. So if you stay consistent and upload videos of good quality that solve real problems, and you actually analyze which videos are performing the best in terms of the topics and the style and the content and the format of the video, and you follow this type of process step by step, you can actually build a faceless YouTube channel using different AI tools like CapCut and ChatGPT and 11 Labs. You can combine these different AI tools to create these faceless videos. You can create a good, engaging, faceless channel that will generate income for you without needing to show your face or actually invest in any expensive equipment at all. Let's now move on to step number 3, which is to build and sell AI-powered niche research packs that businesses can use right away. If you want to earn an extra income with AI in a practical way that doesn't depend on clients giving you constant work, you can actually start building niche research packs, because this solves a major problem where small businesses and creators don't know what content to make, what customers want, or even what to actually sell next. Now, if you struggle with idea generation, you can just use ChatGPT at openai.com, which is an AI writing tool that will help you generate structured business insights, content ideas, and even research summaries based on the prompts that you actually give it. And this is very useful because it can turn vague topics into organized, usable information in just a few seconds. So if you just start by typing something in like, create a full marketing research pack for a personal trainer in 2026, including content ideas, customer pain points, and trending topics. So there's a simple prompt that you can use. Then you can instantly generate the foundation of your product. And this helps you to solve one of the biggest problems that beginners face, which is not knowing where to actually start. Now, if you want to choose a niche that actually sells, then you can start by just focusing on industries that are constantly needing marketing ideas, because this will make your research packs more valuable and a bit easier to sell. Now, if you take a look at businesses like gymnasiums or dentists or real estate agents or online coaches and consultants and e-commerce web stores, you're probably going to notice that they all struggle with content planning, and this creates demand for ready-made insights. Now, if you just go to www.google.com and search for phrases like common problems that fitness coaches face, or what do real estate clients search for online, so these types of phrases, you can actually collect some real-world questions. And this is very useful because it shows you exactly what people are already actually interested in. So if you want deeper keyword research data here, you can actually use Answer the Public at www.answerthepublic.com, which is a tool that takes a keyword and shows some real search questions that people are actually typing into Google each month. And this is actually very helpful because it gives you direct insight into customer thinking without you actually guessing. Now, if you want to structure your research pack so it looks more professional and easy to use, you can break it down into clear sections that solve different problems, because businesses don't want messy information. They want actionable and clean steps. Now, if you go back to ChatGPT, and you actually ask it to organize your research into different sections like top 30 content ideas and customer pain points, or even trending topics in this niche, and high converting sales angles. So there's some of the ideas and the topics that you can actually do to organize the content. This is going to be much more useful because it turns raw data into a structured business document. Now, if you want to store and refine this information in the proper way, you can actually use Notion at www.notion.so, which is a digital workspace where you can actually create pages, tables, and structured documents very quickly. And this is going to be very helpful because it allows you to actually build clean professional research packs that look like something a marketing agency would actually produce. Now, if you actually organize your content in Notion first, you can actually easily edit, duplicate, and actually improve it before turning into a final product. So if you want to turn your research into something that people will actually pay for, you could just convert it into a visually polished PDF product, because presentation directly affects the perceived value. So if you go to canva.com and use Canva, you can actually choose from their pre-made templates like business reports or even a marketing guide or just an ebook layout. So just do a search for any of those things in Canva, and it'll give you some pre-made templates. And this is going to be really useful for you because Canva allows you to drag and drop different features into the design elements without needing any graphic or design skills at all. So it's all drag and drop and very simple to use. Now, if you just copy your structured content from Notion into Canva directly, you can quickly turn plain text into a branded document with some headings, some icons, and some clean formatting, which makes it feel like a more premium product. Now, if you keep the design nice and simple and focused on readability, your customers will find it a bit easier to apply the information, and this actually increases the value of your product because it saves them time. So if you want to sell your niche research packs, you can use platforms that already have buyers searching for digital products, because this removes the need to build your own website or even have your own audience first. So if you just go to www.gumroad.com and you can just upload your PDF and your file into Gumroad, which is a digital marketplace. You just need to upload the file into Gumroad, set a fair and reasonable price, and this is going to be really useful for you because Gumroad will actually handle the payment processing and the delivery automatically for you, so you don't need any technical setup at all. Now, if you would like to explore another option, you can use Etsy.com, which is a marketplace of digital downloads where people are actively searching for templates, guides, and different business tools. And this is going to be very helpful because it gives you exposure to some built-in traffic as well, and that is Etsy. Now, if you find that you struggle with the pricing, you can just start small around $10 to attract those initial buyers and get some reviews. Then you can just increase your pricing once your product gains some credibility and you get some positive feedback. So if you'd like to further improve the sales and actually attract more buyers, you can just use short form video content to promote your research packs, because this is going to help you to reach people without using any paid ads. So if you just post on TikTok or even Instagram or YouTube Shorts, you can actually just show quick previews like free marketing ideas for fitness coaches, or even something like content idea businesses that are missing. So you can use things like that. And this is a very useful way to do it because short videos can quickly demonstrate value and drive more curiosity. So if you actually use ChatGPT to generate video scripts for these types of posts, you can speed up the content creation and stay more consistent. If you include a simple call to action like download the full pack with the link in the bio, so something like that, so tell people to click the link in the bio, you can actually direct viewers to your Gumroad or your Etsy store where they can actually purchase your niche pack. And this helps you to convert attention into sales. So if you want to scale this into a long-term income stream, you can just turn your one-time research packs into a recurring monthly product because businesses constantly need fresh ideas and updated strategies. So if you actually use ChatGPT at openai.com to actually update your packs each month with new trends, seasonal content ideas, and even customer insights as well, you can actually keep your product very relevant and more valuable. If you offer subscriptions like monthly niche content packs, you can actually generate fairly predictable income instead of relying on one-off sales. So if you continue improving your research quality and just focusing on a specific niche, you can actually build a system with AI where you actually create one product and sell it multiple times. And this allows you to turn AI into a structured and fairly scalable income stream without needing any advanced skills or a large upfront investment. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building your own online business and creating new income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment where you can find some free guides and some free resources to help you get started right away with building your new digital business and income. These free resources will teach you step by step how to actually set up and create your own digital business and new online income streams as well. So I know these free resources will be very helpful for you. So don't wait, take action today. You can go and click the link below in the description and the pinned comment and start your journey right now. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. It really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.